Build apps quickly with low-code platforms. Want to build apps without writing tons of code? Low-code platforms make it easy to create powerful applications using visual tools and minimal programming. Let's explore how these platforms work and why they're a game changer. What are low-code platforms? Low-code platforms are innovative development environments that let you design apps using drag-and-drop tools, pre-built templates, and minimal coding. They're perfect for speeding up development and empowering non-developers to bring their ideas to life. Popular low-code platforms. Here are some standout options you might consider. OutSystems, an enterprise-grade platform offering full-stack capabilities. Mendix, designed for fast deployment and seamless collaboration. Microsoft Power Apps, ideal for businesses already invested in Microsoft 365. Appian merges low-code with powerful automation and process management features. Zoho Creator, an affordable choice with an intuitive interface. Key features. Some exciting features that make these platforms so effective include drag-and-drop builders for easy app design, reusable components to save time, workflow automation to streamline processes, third-party integration for added functionality, multi-platform support for web and mobile applications. Who should use them? These platforms are perfect for business teams needing custom tools quickly, startups without a large development team, enterprises looking to scale app development efficiently. Benefits. The benefits of low-code platforms are hard to ignore. Enjoy faster development cycles. Benefit from lower costs. Experience easier maintenance. Empower non-technical users to contribute effectively. Low-code platforms are truly transforming how apps are built. Whether you're a startup founder or part of a large organization, they can help you move from idea to launch quickly and efficiently. Start building your app today with low-code platforms.